Henry David Thoreau once said, "We need the tonic of wilderness. At the same time that we are earnest to explore and learn all things, we require that all things be mysterious and unexplorable." Welcome to the Cortina Ridge Ranches. The beauty of this place sneaks up on you. The valleys are wide and the creeks ramble in ceaseless streams here. You can follow Bear River for over 10 miles through the ranch. Cortina Ridge rises up beyond the Sutter Buttes. 21,000 acres. Now that is a lot of space. Spend time in this place, and you begin to understand what it means for land to be productive. The soil is rich and gives freely. Up to 2,000 cows have been run here for the season, and they leave their wide footprints upon the earth as their generations pass through these fields. A person is but a little thing here, a quiet side note to the greater flow of time. Though you may not see them all, this ranch has many occupants. Boar, deer, turkey, elk. The wildlife share in its immensity and generous domain. Less than 2 hours from San Francisco, this place remains as it did long ago, paced with the changing of the seasons, rich in beauty and solitude. The eastern section of the property encompasses 8,550 acres and historically runs 750 to 800 pair for the season. Quality soils and good water availability are just a few of the amazing things this ranch encompasses. As you rise up off the valley floor, the Sutter Buttes grace you with high peaks that can be seen for miles. It may be winter now, the ground blanketed in green grass, but in spring, the ranch shows another side. Wildflowers carpet the valley floors and turn this ranch into something you could only dream of. After long days on the ranch, the comforts of home call out. A short journey and there it is, stationed along the banks of the Sacramento River, California's largest watercourse. Within its 10-acre grounds is a veritable secret garden. Citrus trees intermixed with century-old sycamores, heritage roses, a walnut orchard. Fill it with family or with friends. A productive cattle ranch, hunting retreat, and private nature preserve, Cortina Ridge Ranch is a unique and rare offering.
California outdoor properties, we have the best ranch land.